Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the driver may be corrupted or missing, error code 39, issue. Follow these steps to resolve it. And now let's get started. Start by clicking the Start menu and typing Windows Security, then select it from the results. In the left panel of Windows Security, click Device Security. And on the right side, under Core Isolation, select Core Isolation Details. Turn off this setting. Confirm by clicking Yes, close Windows Security, and restart your computer. After restarting, check if the issue is resolved. If not, open the Start menu again, type Regedit, and click on Registry Editor, granting necessary permissions. Copy the registry path provided in the video description, paste it into the address bar, and press Enter. Or navigate HKEY_local_machine then system, then current control, set then control then class. Then look for this value that end with 40,000. Next, go to the right pane, locate the key called upper filters, delete it, and then restart your PC. The third method is opening the Start menu, typing Device Manager, and selecting it from the search results. Once Device Manager opens, expand the Universal Serial Bus Controllers section at the bottom of the list, which represents the USB controllers. Click the arrow to expand the section. Next, right-click each controller, not the root hubs or composite device, and select Uninstall Device. Do this for each controller listed. Afterward, restart your computer. The controller should automatically reinstall once the PC reboots. This is a basic troubleshooting step similar to removing other device drivers, like display adapters, and rebooting to allow them to reinstall, which helps resolve common issues. You'll notice the devices are being set up automatically after a restart, so you may not even need to restart your computer for it to work. Before ending this video, I'd like to mention that I create high-quality, tech-related videos every day. If you enjoy my content and want to support my work, please stay tuned. I hope you found the video helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.